New car smell, it's like happiness in a cup holder. Why are we all obsessed with it? Spoiler, it's not just fancy leather, it's science, and a dash of car wizardry. Plastics, glues, and mystery fabrics team up to create that magical aroma, like a car's secret perfume. Car companies know it makes us nostalgic, excited, and maybe a little weird. Admit it, you've sniffed a new car and smiled. It's science, nostalgia, and a sprinkle of marketing magic, bottled up just for your nose. Would you buy that smell in a bottle? If so, sniff out that subscribe button, it's fresher than ever.